morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 15th of September 2023. We're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've earned themselves a golden ticket this morning. And yes, you've all been working so hard. What a fabulous second week it has been. Thank you everyone. We're going to start this morning in nursery. And in nursery, Miss Keegan says, this week's golden ticket winner goes to a child with a beautiful smile. I totally agree. She's been super at leaving her grown-up at drop-off and she's becoming really brave and independent. Well done to none other than Anna. In she comes. There she is. Look at that beautiful smile. Oh, doing the colouring there. Anna, you've won the golden ticket. You'll be smiling now. Really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Little superstar. Well done. On to reception, and Miss Reed says, this person has impressed us with how well they've settled into reception and how keen they have been to make new friends. Oh, we love making new friends. They always listen well on the carpet and has used what they have learned to make tall and short towers. Absolutely, well done. Come and see these tall and short towers. Come on, in she comes, Annabelle. There she is, look at that. Really concentrating there, Annabelle. Well done, you've won the golden ticket. Fantastic work, and thank you for being so friendly with all the children in reception as well. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss McTavish, and she said this week's winner has been working hard in phonics to write new sounds they are learning. So let's keep learning all of those sounds at home as well. Keep practicing them. They've been playing kindly with their friends and being confident to share ideas with the class. This person greets their friends with a wonderful hello every morning, which is great to see and just makes us all smile. Well done too. Come on in. Ben, there he is. Look at that big smile as well. Look, and I spotted a merit. Well done, Ben. Earning those merits, working really hard. Keep learning those phonics and enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, you superstar. Well done. On to year 1, and Miss Ruddock says this week's golden ticket winner is somebody who always sets a brilliant example to everybody in the class. Perfect. They always follow instructions, always listen and work hard in every lesson. They're thoughtful and kind and a pleasure to have in our class and a pleasure to have at Mile Cross Primary School. Well done. 2, come on in. Mabel, there she is. Well done, Mabel. What a beautiful smile. Thank you for being such a perfect role model for everyone to copy. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. You superstar. Well done. Thank you. Mr. Ackerman says, the child has had a fantastic start to year 1. They arrive in the mornings with a smile. They've been really embracing all the new learning in year 1. This child is very kind to members of the class and treats others considerately, which makes them a popular partner. Exactly, really good. They've been reading every night at home and putting lots of effort into phonics sessions. Well done. Come on in. Kian, there he is. Look at that. Look how hard he is working. Well done, Kian. Absolutely smashing. I'm loving your new glasses as well. You look so good. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. I'm so proud of you. Really well done. Keep that phonics and reading, you superstar. On to year 2. Mrs. Cook and Miss Robertson says, this child has been amazing since they've started year 2. Every morning they come into class ready to learn and always try their absolute best. That's all we can ask you. Putting up their hand on the carpet and focusing 100%. All of the adults in year 2 have commented on how hard this child is working. This week, they've got some of their work onto the wow wall too, so a little bit of a clue there as well. Golden ticket goes to, and he comes, Jensen! Look at that work. Jensen, you won the golden ticket, buddy. What a brilliant week you have had. Keep working hard. Amazing maths. It was lovely to get you on the proud wall as well and earning those house points, so really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today, you superstar. Keep it up. On to Miss Plume, and this child has been working so hard. He's doing some fantastic maths and is always finishing his work and eager for the next challenge. Fantastic. His learning behaviour is fantastic and he seems to have really grown into a fantastic year 2 pupil over the summer holidays. Well done to none other than, come on in. There it is, Amandas. Look at him. Look at that smile. Look at that work. Amazing work. You work so hard. Fantastic reading over the summer as well. Thank you so much. You've won the golden ticket. Really well done. Enjoy taking that home today, you superstar. Really well done. Finally this morning, Mr. Hardman, the SRB in Seahorse class. So a bit of a name shout there for Seahorse class. The winner this week has been sharing what an amazing summer they've had and how much reading they've been doing. This includes completing the summer reading challenge. They've settled straight back into class, helping out their friends and focusing on their work. And another golden ticket goes to Rita! Come on in, Rita. Look at that. Look, straight in. Beautiful smile. Well done, Rita. You've won the golden ticket again. Thank you for being so amazing. Thank you for helping out as well and getting on so quickly with your work. And well done on the summer reading challenge. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. Well done. There it is. Wow, what another great week it was for everyone. Well done, everyone. All the way through school, from nursery right the way through to the SRB there. Well done, all of you. You've been working so hard. It's fantastic to see. Coming around every day and seeing how much work you're doing is fantastic. And my proud wall is full. So well done. Well done, everyone. Just keep that up next week. If it wasn't you, just copy those children. See if you can win the golden ticket. Finally, this weekend, here it is. Look, we're thinking about being healthy. Trying to eat some fruit and getting some exercise. Our real theme throughout this term is trying to be more healthy this term. And that includes what we eat, not too many sweets or crisps, and also then the exercise that we get. Not too much time on screens as well. So come on, let's have a great weekend, getting outside. The weather's going to be nice, and let's try and be careful what we eat, try and have some fruit and get some exercise. Until Monday, everyone. Bye-bye now.